Hello, long time no see. Today we are going to upgrade this car. It's very easy to disassemble and installation. Please follow the video together. Firstly, we will remove the brown decorative panels on both sides. Then remove this silver decorative strip. Remove this startup button panel again. There are two screws on each side that fix the host. We will unscrew them. Then we will dismantle the entire original car engine and unplug all the plugs on its back. Okay, now remove the screen. First take off the panel. Then unscrew these three screws that secure the screen. Finally, remove the screen and unplug the two plugs on the back to complete the disassembly. Now start connecting the cables. This is the GPS antenna. This is the video input cable. These two are USB transmission cables. This is an RCA audio cable. Okay, now we will insert the power harness from the host position, then connect the video Canbus box. Now connect the power harness to the two plugs on the back of the original car screen. Reconnect the communication serial port. Connect these two yellow plugs again. Connect the AUX audio plug to the RCA cable again. Finally, connect the power plug to the Android screen. Install and fix it again. Install this new panel. Now start connecting to the host section. Restore the corresponding plug on its back. Finally, insert the male end of the power harness into the host. Now we will reinstall and secure the host. Restore the startup button panel as well. Restore the silver decorative strip as well. Finally, install these two brown panels back in place as well. The installation is now complete. As this car comes with Canbus, it needs to be set up for the first use. Now our Android system has no sound when we first use it. We need to switch to AUX mode, and we can observe the switching status through the dashboard. Of course, this car supports the original car system. We can click on AUX to enter the original car system, and then control the AUX audio output through the original car knob. After the setup is complete, we can start experiencing the Android car radio, which supports synchronizing the original car air conditioning information. Support original car reversing camera. Support door switch reminder. It also has many other rich features for watching online movies. You can use offline or online maps. Supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. Enjoy wireless CarPlay or Android Auto function from your phone in your car. Okay, that's all for the video. Thank you for your watching.